American cheeseburger Velveeta crock pot casserole surprise. First, set the water to boil. Get ready to boil your noodles. Then, we're going to move to a separate pan. We're going to cook a pound of hamburger. Now, I'm going to flatten this out about as thin as I can. You know, McDonald's style hamburger. Really thin, White Castle burger. You know, about that thin. Okay, now, stick that on decent high. Cook that until it's brown one side. Cut it up. Flip it over. Now, we're going to be cutting this into tiny little bitty sections and pieces. Little bitty squares, little bitty rectangles, you know, like itty bitty, tiny bitty cheeseburgers basically. Alright? Okay. Go ahead, let that go. A little bit of salt. A little bit of white pepper. Just season it like you would a regular burger. Just keep on cutting that up, get little bitty bite-sized pieces. Little bitty burgers, there we go. Alright, we're going to put that aside, put it in a little bowl. Get ready to transfer. Now that we got that hamburger all cooked and ready, go ahead, take that boiling water, let's put that pasta in there. I'm using a petite. It's an organic pasta that I got from the grocery store. Just because I have it, you could use macaroni. The kids would probably like that a whole lot better, but get your crock pot out. Add a half cup of tomato ketchup. Add your hamburger. Add a can of petite diced tomatoes. Right around 15 ounces. I've got a 14.5 can. Half a cup of beef broth. Couple of teaspoons of Worcestershire sauce. One 4-pound block of Velveeta processed American cheese. About 16 ounces there. Just leave it in the block, no need to cut it up. Next, a couple of cups of pre-shredded cheddar cheese. From the bag, store-bought, yes. Mainly because I want that potato starch that's on there. I know a lot of people argue that you should shred your own cheese. That way there's no potato starch, and that way there's no clumping. Well, guess what? I want potato starch because it thickens the sauce. So, nitty boo boo, there you go. Next, come over to the pasta. Go ahead and drain it. We're just cooking that to the directions or the manufacturer's directions on the box. Put all that pasta in a bowl. Cover, put it in the refrigerator until you are ready for dinner. With that being said, put your crock pot on high for 2 hours or low for 4 to 5 hours. Now, this is approximate time. It can set in the crock pot for a lot longer than that. That's going to depend on when you are going to be home for dinner. Point is to pre-prep everything here. Then we just let the sauce cook in the crock pot, and we come home. We dump the noodles in, just like I'm going to do right here. Give it a really good stir. And I mean a really good stir, because if those noodles have been sitting in that refrigerator, they're going to kind of clump together just a little bit. But that sauce is going to be nice and warm. It's going to help break them apart in no time. Just make sure to keep on giving it a stir, and that'll warm up your noodles. And that'll warm up your noodles just fine. It's like a casserole in a crock pot. Okay. Next, we're going to add a little bit of half and half here. Depending on how thin that you want it. You could also add milk or, cream, depending on varying amounts. This is where you mess with it. This is up to you, okay? Mix it in there. And a taste test. Get a little bit of everything there with the tomato. And it is a winner. My kids absolutely loved this. So, thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. Have a great day. Love you. Bye.